Hello friends, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ സംസാരിക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന റൈറ്റർ മീ ആണ്. RYTR.me ഒരു ടൂളാണ്. ബിഫോർ നമ്മൾ ഇത് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പേ I just wanted to show you an email. Within 5 months, they got 30,000 customers globally. So that is the quality of this particular tool. And this tool is basically AI based content writing tool. And I really love this tool and I use every day. And I can't say more word for this particular tool. This is like absolute awesome content. If you are looking to buy any writing tool, I personally recommend that you can go and buy this one. Okay, and now let's show you some example of how we can do this. So when I open this, you will get a lot of content ideas. You will see that whenever you right click, so it's already logged in, so that's why it's already showing. So we have multiple options to create so many things. So let's, for example, you wanted to create something like blog ideas and outlines. You just need to give whatever you wanted to create. Digital marketing, so you have three variation times you get. Write me in, so you will get write me in how to create, and this is the outline. So now you can start writing your content based on this particular outline. So that's the blog outline. Then blog section. So now we got a blog section, so now I am going to include blog section content. So I will be, why marketing plan is important for every business. So let's write it. So what I am doing is I am asking them to write this. So see, they have written that particular segment here. Okay, so now I can just copy this section and include it here. So my one particular done. Second one is why should be included in high level marketing plan. So I can come here and I can put this here. Again, I can write an article for this, and when I write that, you will see that this is the paragraph they have written, and I can put this here. So my blog is ready, and now what I can see that like pro tips, all those sections they are giving, I can remove that. So I can just make it more this, and just wanted to show this like how fast we have created this 300 words limit character. And when you go and check this in like SEO tools, plagiarism checker, I just wanted to check like how much plagiarism is there. So it's a free plagiarism checker. So I have already checked in my Copyscape, but I just wanted to show it here. So nammaloda plagiarism checker nathu vannittu when you put the content here and check plagiarism, and I have seen like very less plagiarism for this particular content. So it's not I'm not a robot. So let's click on the plagiarism. They are finding result. So you can see that 87% unique, only 13% plagiarized, and that is the only title segment is got plagiarized. So you can just change the title a little bit here there, and that's enough to go for it. So why marketing plan important for every small businesses? Why digital marketing plan is important for every small businesses? That's the first article. And the second one was what should be included in high level digital marketing plan for your business. So I have just edited small sections. Now let's say so now they are checking plagiarism. And this is a free tool, a small SEO tool that's not that much perfect. When I go and look for the complete on my Copyscape, I usually get 100% unique content. So how to create an outstanding, so best thing is like the content we have written, mainly main content whatever we got, that's like completely plagiarism free. So that's the, now I think it's coming 7%. So same thing, how to create outstanding marketing plan in your business is the copy one, and now it's 93% unique. So you just need to add, what was the like line, how to create outstanding marketing plan business. So this is the title, what, how to create an outstanding digital marketing plan for your small business. Done. So now it's a complete 100% unique content. So now we can check this. We can check it again, and now you got 100% plagiarism free content. So let it check. Till then I will show you another feature. So that's the blog writing. Blog writing, I need a blog section writing, blog idea, then business idea pitch. You just wanted to pitch some business idea, digital marketing, and you just remove this and write it, and you can edit all those section. You can do here is section, like if you want something extremely edit and add something, all those section you can maintain here itself. And you have like tones, what kind of tones you wanted to write. If you like to thoughtful, you can just passionate content and you can just create, and you will see that based on the passionate it will give you idea. So that's the business idea pitch you get. Then copyright frame IDA, if you are running ads, so like you can put like digital marketing course. If you are going to promote a course, you just go to here and create one variation of this. And attention marketing is hard the last few years, so you can see that all the how they have created this IDA section. So let's appreciate, or whatever you want, like casual. So when you wanted to create a casual tone, you can see that, right, 10x better and faster interest. Do you want to learn more secret of digital marketing or like content writing, whatever you want. So desire to know how to test the industry, action this. So that's way how you can create IDA based content. Then copywriting framework, PAS based. Okay, so problem, let's see that PAS format, how it goes. Digital marketing. So let's create a variation problem. So it will create casual content. Let's another namakidu nokam, plagiarism free. See, 100% unique content, no plagiarism got. So we just converted our 3 lines, just 3 paragraphs, that mainly the headline generator idea avada matram changes it to so automatically that has finished. And it's writing, it's taking time, but you can understand that's going to be very easy of your life. And if you are a content writer, so then it's going to be hard for you to survive. So try to learn some skill which go for long run, because these kind of tools actually killing the resources. So now people, you only can create content. Namakku matrame content create cheyan pattum. So if you are a content writer who are watching this, your future is at risk, my dear. So there's some issue creating. Okay, got it. Problem, agitate and solve. So you can see that PAS content. Then email, Facebook, interview questions. I like this testimonial one. So you can have so many options like video idea, video description, video channel, testimonial and review, tagline, headline, story plot, story lyrics, so song lyrics, SEO meta title description, reply to review and messages. You can get reply also, questions and answers, profile bio, product description, bullet point. Product description is also very good when it comes to e-commerce. So this is the best, and I personally use this and I really find very useful for this particular sections. You can even write Facebook, LinkedIn content also. So you can just see product name, what is the product name. So let's take, it's a Vipin Nair, and product description, digital marketing expert Kerala. So just check that what they actually go and write. three variation I just selected. I just wanted to show that three type of variations. So ad copy 1, Vipin Iyer is a guide to ad marketing. So Vipin Iyer digital marketing experts. Ad copy is Vipin Iyer is proven leader in digital marketing industry and can help you to business to grow. So you can see that rephrase, you have option, you can improve, you can paragraph, and more options are there, expand, shorten, append, all those things. So let's rephrase it. So I like to rephrase it. So Vipin Iyer help business to grow, provide them with a proven digital marketing services. I wanted to rephrase again. So let's see that what is going to be happen. So Vipin Iyer help business to grow by providing them with digital marketing services, proven and effective. So you can see that you can play with this, and if you like improve, you can just click on the improve section and they will be improving it. Okay, and other options are like, you have like commands, you can put the command options. So now you can see that Vipin Iyer more content will be generated on based on that. So that's the way how you use this particular tool, and that's it. I think more expand, sort and append. Plagiarism checker is also there. 100 to 167 character when you pick. So this is the 100% your character picked, and now you just go to here and click on the more, and you can see the plagiarism. So selected text for the plagiarism. So I'm just checking plagiarism. So you can see that no match found. So they can check the plagiarism also within the content itself. So you got it, like how it's useful is going to be. So that's the tool, that's the like single tool. I got it from AppSumo actually. So I will leave the link below, and I got it in offer. I gone for the full unlimited content, and you can check out the pricing also. What is the like pricing? So where is the pricing? So it's already, I logged in, so that's why. So let's open it incognito. So let's see that what is the price. Start writing. Okay. So where is the price actually? Okay, yeah. Stop wasting time. They haven't given price. I didn't check earlier. Where is the price? Writerme. Okay. Pricing. Cost and pricing, just $29 per month, what is suggested by another tool. Yes, so they are not that much visible, that's the issue. Striking, powerful, your unlimited, affordable. You can just $22 per month, $290 per year, get 2 months free. And I must say that this is like worth $1,000 at least. Okay, so generate unlimited characters, access 20 plus use cases and tones, dedicated account manager, priority email and chat support, access to premium community, right, in 30 plus languages. So we haven't shown you the language sections. So you can see Arabic, all the languages are there which you can use. Hindi is also there, and you can see that other languages is there. So even Malayalam illa, where all languages are there, top languages. So that's it for today's tool. Hope you like this video. I really passionate about this. I don't know even they have affiliate product also not. Is there any affiliate program? Yes, affiliate program is there. So I will sharing you the link of affiliate link. If you wanted to go and buy from my affiliate link, you can, sure, you can go buy, or it's fine, you can just go and enjoy. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next video.